I would like to thank you, Michelle, for creating a digital growth community in which helped me to finally quit my job after 2 months. I remember last October, during that time, my daughter was sick and she needs to bring in a doctor, right? I don't have any money, right? Even $40, I don't have my pocket. I need to borrow uh, to my sister, and it really hurts me, right? And for me, this is really game changing, right? I tell myself I don't want to happen it again. And last November 2023, I discovered the digital growth community, and I get very excited. I find someone who is inside that community and I join. And yeah, after 2 months, last January 2024, I already go home. I quit my job because I'm working 10 to 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours per day in New Zealand. So it's totally life changing, and now I am here in family. And last January I earned a total of $7,000, right, in just 1 month. And this month, March, I already earned almost $6,000, right? It's totally life changing. It's a huge money for me, and it's almost triple my salary in New Zealand, right? Thank you, Michelle. Thank you for this amazing opportunity. See you and bye.